close my eyes, and all I see is you. I'm floating in the sky, and life is passing me by, and in a sweet dream.
Right, plot twist everyone. Maria has unfortunately had a tumble.
Robocop knee.
And has done her knee in. So this morning we haven't been out skiing or boarding. We've just been relaxing at the medical centre in Flaine, which we've discovered is quite amazing really.
They were very good.
They were very good. Went there too long, met with, was it Jean-Baptiste?
Yes, he was super duper.
Jean-Baptiste delay, who did not delay in fixing Maria's leg. So, what's wrong with it, Maria?
I need an MRI when I get home to see if I've torn or completely broken
But we think
ligament.
it's ligament.
Yeah.
Not tendon, ligament.
Ligament.
Ligament. So there we go. And now we're being super proud parents because we're waiting for the girls to come back from their ski lessons because it's their final day and we get to see what badges they get. So hopefully Olivia's got her snowflake badge.
That would be great.
And then hopefully Bella's got her bronze star.
I'm watching for them to come through the tunnel.
Yeah, watching them. Oh, mother and father-in-law are here. Take it steady.
Mike's just doing there's a plot twist to his...
Plot twist.
Plot twist.
New story.
Yeah, probably.
How we doing, mother?
Don't call it that. No. You're getting in real big trouble. Oh yes, okay, that's fine.
For the purpose of the tape, I've just been kicked.
Hello, darling.
Your leg's nearly fixed.
No, it's going to be 3 to 6 months at least.
Really?
What an inconvenience. Brave face. Oh, where have you been? Did you go right up to Mont Blanc again?
Attention à pas marcher sur les skis sinon vous allez tomber. Olivia, it was perfect too. You are more confident and you do the good turns, that's good. You want the medal too? Well done, you get the snowflake. Perfect. Toi aussi, t'as super bien skié. Mais t'avais gare au loup. D'accord? Tu auras le flocon avec Marie.
Are you really pleased?
D'accord, mais faut encore que tu
Well done. You hold it and be proud.
D'accord, bravo.
Bravo.
You proud, mummy?
Yeah, super proud. Liv's got flake on.
Good job, Livo.
Yeah. You going to show Daddy your badge?
Oh, my badge. Check.
With our super big gloves on. We've swapped gloves.
Yeah. Good job.
Romy, viens par là, Romy.
Matthew is
On va
still
faire la-
singing. You're still singing.
Yes,
Oh, look what Liv's got there. Liv, show Bella. She has got. She's got Flocon. She's gone up a level.
Tiens, Isabella, your booklet. Okay, you can check on the third page. Yes, I stand.
Wow,
Perfect. You earn your bronze star,
bronze
and now you got your badge. Take off your bib and I put on your jacket. Hop là.
I have your glove. Don't worry.
Tac, et on va la mettre ici, juste en dessous. Voilà. Perfect, bravo.
Instructor extraordinaire. Look at that. Nice.
Good job, Bella.